PQRST lies on a straight line, we can safely say that the gradient of PQ will be the same as gradient of PT. Therefore, to find the gradient of PT is actually y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So we just use this point as y1 minus this point as y2, this point as x1, and this point as x2. Then, by simplifying it, you'll be able to get 16 over 24 equals to 2 over 3. Since the gradient of PT is equal to the gradient of PQ, so the gradient of PQ will be 2/3. To find the equation of PQ is actually y equals mx plus c by summing in the points P which is given and the gradient 2 over 3. Simplifying it, we'll be able to get 8 over 3 equals to c. Therefore, the equation of PQ equals to y equals to 2 over 3x plus 8 over 3. Multiplying 3 on both sides equals to 3y equals to 2x plus 8. Since MS is perpendicular to PT, therefore, we can safely say that the gradient of MS is actually the gradient of PT times -1. Therefore, the gradient of MS equals -1 divided by 2/3 equals -3 over 2. To find the equation of MS, we sub in the gradient, which is -3 over 2, and the point 4, 11, which is point M. By simplifying it, we'll be able to get C equals 17, and the equation of MS equals to Y equals -3 over 2x plus 17. The equation of PQ, which we have found earlier, is actually Y equals 2 over 3x plus 8 over 3. Since Q intercepts the x-axis, the y-coordinate equals to 0. So to find the coordinate of Q, we just sub in y equals to 0 into the equation of PQ, and we're able to get the x-coordinate, which is x equals to -4. So the coordinate of Q equals -4, 0. To find the coordinate of R, which intercepts the y-axis, we just have to sub in x equals to 0 into the equation PQ, and then you'll be able to get y equals to 8 over 3. Therefore, the coordinate of R equals to 0, 8 over 3. To find the coordinate of S, we actually have this to equate equation PQ and equation MS together, and to find the intersection point, which is actually point S. We have to equate MS and PQ together, and we're able to get this. Simplifying it and solving x, we'll be able to get 86 over 13. Then, subbing x equals to 86 over 13 into any equation, so we just sum into equation PQ, and then we'll be able to get the y coordinate, which is 92 over 13. So the S coordinate will be 86, 13, 92 over 13. To find the area of triangle PMS, we can use the shoelace method, which is actually half times the coordinate of P, which is -10, -4, the coordinate of S, which is 86 over 13 and 92 over 13, and the coordinate of M, which is 4, 11. To use this method, we have to multiply -10 and 92 over 13 plus 86 over 13 times 11 minus 4 times 92 over 13 minus 96 over 13 times -4. By simplifying it further, we're able to get half times 2 over 13, and the area of triangle PMS will be 2 over 26 units squared.